Alright guys, here's the aftermath of the tornado that hit the E School. There's a tree almost down in a car. There was a car with a busted window, but it has not moved. Their power's out. There's more busted trees on this side of the parking lot. There's another tree down over there. There's trees down way over there. And like I said, the power's out. It's a little dark in here. Here's back in the hallway. This is our senior design lab. Here's the robot we were working on. Here's another robot that we're working on. But check out the ceiling. That's not supposed to look like that. That is a ceiling that collapsed in on us while we're working.
You got, oh, it's on there. Can you have the flashlight?
Yeah. So you guys have fun in the tornado that hit the E School?
Yeah. I know.
I'll be back. Hold on. So, a couple seconds earlier, this entire view was just swirling clouds. We walked out here. It was ridiculous. All right, go ahead. This is him touching the now fallen ceiling.
Dude, it's kind of funny because this
you
is
can see
where
up
I
and
put my poster 2 hours ago.
see, it's sealed. It doesn't go to that outside chamber. It's because the door opens. That's what the vacuum pressure for the tornado is what killed it.
I want to see this. Can't believe you opened the door in the whole thing.
Just freaking devastation. Having fun?
Yeah. Yeah. Trying to contact me.
And pretty much all the trees are down. If you can see that or not. See if we can squeeze by this one a bit. There's another down tree. Ooh, yeah, there's a lot of tree damage. Looks like there's a power line down. So yeah, a lot of tree damage. Okay, don't go this way. It's flooded. Apparently this guy is enjoying the massive amounts of water coming out of the ground.
Is this the time where you guys like flop around the water, take a shower? Huh? You like fall out of here? You alright? I was right there.
There you go.
That's bad.
There's more trees down. Can we get through here? There's a big tree down and pieces of it. There was a car parked here earlier. Both windshields blew out that we saw from the balcony. There should be. There's a box or something crushed, or it's a dumpster crushed by the tree. Portables here are wrecked.
Removing the from the top. Remember the effects when Dan killed it?
More tree damage here. Blue lights flashing everywhere for some reason. All the emergency beacons have been activated. Looks like a fire truck over there. Debris. Ooh, the roof has been torn up in the corners. You see that? The tap building right there?
Yep.
Power's out at the E School. I'm assuming this entire substation's probably dead. I wonder when all the lines are down. Okay, I'll pause the video.